Yes, in this video, we are going to look at the graphical method of solving quadratic equation. As we can see, we have an example. We like to solve graphically 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 equals 0. Given the range of values of x from minus 2 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 3. Now the solution goes thus. We let y to be equals to the given equation. And the first thing to do is to determine the table of values. So by determining the table of values, we have our x, we have y. The range of values of x is from minus 2 to 3 on the number line. We have minus 2, minus 1 is 0, 1, 2, 3. So substituting the value of x equals to minus 2 into this y equals to 2x squared minus 3x minus 5, we can have y equals to 2 open bracket minus 2 squared minus 3 open bracket minus 2 minus 5, which when you open the bracket you get 9. The same thing when x is equals to minus 1, you substitute in the value, you get 0. And the same time when x is equals to 0, you get the value, the corresponding value of y to be minus 5. When x is equal to 1, you do your calculation and the corresponding value of y is minus 6. When x is equals to 3, you go through the same process, you get your y to be minus 3. And when it's equals to 3, you get the value of y to be 4. So now we shall move on to plotting of graph, which is the second stage of solving quadratic equation using graphical method. Now this is our graph. On the graph we need to locate the axis, the vertical axis and the horizontal axis. And how do we do that? We can make this place the y-axis, and you can also have the y-axis as well. So it is necessary you draw a line. So we can also have our y-axis. And don't not forget, from the table we have the values. So we can now have our x-axis here. We expected to use pencil, but due to the fact that we're trying to make it clear, that is why we use ink. So this will be minus x-axis, and for the y-axis also, when you trace down, you have the minus y-axis. The minus y-axis. So the next thing now is to plot the graph. By plotting the graph. So by plotting the graph we have this. So we can make this our origin, 0, 0. So this could be 1, 2, 3. So at the negative side we have minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. So for the vertical axis, this is the origin. Do not forget, we can have 1. So far we have the highest value on the y-axis. The highest value there is 9. So we can have 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So on the other side we can have minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, and minus 8. So when x is minus 2, for the first one, when x is minus 2, y is 9, you trace minus 2, y is 9. There's something here. When x is minus 1, x is 0. When x is minus 1, y is 0. When x is 0, y is minus 5. And when x is 1, y is minus 6. When x is 2, y is minus 3. And when x is 3, y equals 4. So when x is 3, y is 4. So you can see from here that you are having the quadratic curve. So you can join this. I'm using a freehand, but it is expected you use a thread. So when you use a thread, it's meant to be accurate. So you could be able to have a smooth graph. So when you have a smooth graph, it will be easy for you to determine. So these 2 points, these are the points that will tell you the solution. And you can see very well that x equals minus 1, or considering the graph, you have x is equals to 2 point something close to that is 2.5. So this is the solution of the given quadratic equation. Click like, share and subscribe for the next video. Thanks for watching.